Have you noticed your home has trouble when winter arrives, like frozen pipes, slow water flow, or odd plumbing noises? This doesn't happen by accident. These are warning signs. Frozen pipes can burst suddenly, flooding your home with gallons of water in minutes and causing thousands of dollars in damage. Today, we're going to explain why pipes freeze and burst, why this can be dangerous, and what simple steps you can take to protect your home before winter causes serious trouble. This video is brought to you by restorationers.com, a trusted network that connects homeowners with certified plumbing and restoration professionals across the U.S. If your pipes are frozen, have burst, or you think something is wrong, don't wait. Click the link in the description, and we'll help you find the right expert near you. When the temperature drops below freezing, the water inside your pipes turns to ice. Ice takes up more space than liquid water, so it pushes hard against the inside of the pipe. Old pipes, uninsulated lines, and plumbing in cold places like basements, attics, and exterior walls are more likely to break. One crack is all it takes for water to spill out and damage walls, floors, cabinets, and electrical systems. As your pipes struggle in the cold, pressure builds, and small leaks can start to form. If you ignore them, the water can lead to mold, structural damage, and costly repairs. That's why preventing freezing is so important. Professional plumbers and restoration experts use proper insulation materials, heat cables, leak detection sensors, and targeted repairs to protect vulnerable pipes. Every exposed line, joint, and outdoor spigot is inspected, and damaged sections are repaired or replaced as needed. To keep your home safe, insulate your pipes, seal any cold drafts, keep your home warm, and let faucets drip during very cold weather. If a pipe freezes, turn off the water and call a professional right away. If your home is at risk this winter, don't wait. Click the link in the description to connect with certified experts through restorationers.com and keep your home safe and protected. Thanks for watching.